Did you know that you can summarize your conversations in Microsoft Copilot? I'm going to show you how to do that. So you want to go ahead and find conversation from the section that says talk with Copilot or keep talking to Copilot. You don't want to click on the conversation from the left side. So if you have conversations here, for example, and you click on them, you will not be able to do the summarize right here. As you can see, I click the three dots and I can't basically summarize. So if you click on home, for example, and you find the keep talking with Copilot, these different conversations, you can click the three dots near your summarize. What it basically does is just put the prompt there for you, but you can do this manually as well. So you click on summarize, it's going to says summarize this conversation, as you can see, and you basically hit enter and it's going to do the summary. What it normally does is either give it to you in a list, bullet points, and so forth, so it can tell you how what is inside your conversations. And as I said, you just basically put a prompt. If you have other conversations going on that are not actually showing up right here, because it normally shows like three, you can find those conversations, click on them. And again, once you do that, you'll be able to basically summarize those conversations as well. So you click on it. For example, this one, it summarize it. As you can see here, I'm going to click on another one. And so let's say I wanted to summarize this. It's basically nothing, but I can click it and I can type summarize this conversation. And it will try to do the same there. And so you can see right here. And that's it. So that's how you can easily summarize your Microsoft Copilot chats or chat conversations. Very easy, very simple.